The Brave Little Raindrop and the Rainbow Bridge. See new, unique 300-word story. High above the dancing clouds, where sunlight played hide and seek, a tiny raindrop named Pico was born. Unlike the other raindrops who loved splashing, jumping, and giggling, Pico had a heart full of dreams. He often looked below and wondered, what lies at the end of a rainbow? Does a rainbow really hold magic? One bright morning, the sky whistler, the gentle wind, who guided raindrops, announced, "Today's rain will be special. Whoever completes the journey with courage will unlock the rainbow bridge." All raindrops cheered. But Pico, he felt his tiny shape trembling. Yet something inside whispered, magic only comes to those who try. With a deep breath, Pico leapt from his cloud. As he fell, the world below amazed him. Silver rivers, tall green trees, little children spinning in the rain, birds fluttering their wings happily. Pico sparkled with joy until suddenly the clouds grew dark. Thunder rumbled. A storm pushed him from side to side. For a moment, Pico thought he would never make it. Then Sky Whistler swirled around him and said softly, "Courage doesn't mean you're never scared. It means you keep going even when you are." Pico steadied himself and continued his journey. The storm passed. Sunlight peeked through, painting the sky with glowing colors. A magnificent rainbow appeared, bright, wide, magical. Pico touched it, and the rainbow turned into a shining rainbow bridge. He slid across it with laughter, crossing every color: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet, each one filling him with new strength. He landed softly in a sparkling lake where other raindrops welcomed him like a hero. And from that day on, Pico knew, even the smallest raindrop can reach the biggest dreams if it dares to fall.